Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Imran. Today I want to show the question. We get the question is question 9. Figure below shows a region which is enclosed by the graph of y equal to x plus 1 and y equal to bracket x minus 1 bracket power by 2. Compute the volume of solid revolution formed when the shaded region is rotated 360 degree about x-axis.
Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. My name is Muhammad Hanif Fauzan bin Rashid. Today I want to explain about this formula. This formula is used to find a volume for this graph. From this graph we got two equations for two different shapes. Our mission is to find this volume for this area. So we use this formula. Alright, this formula is the same as area formula, which is ax equal integrate limit a to b by dx. This look familiar and look like the same, but the difference between these two type of equation is on this and this, which is why we refer how many we turn, how many degree we turn this shape on x line, because in this case we use x line as our reference. Now to find this the volume for this, we need to find two different volume, which is volume x1 equal this, which is we use limit from 0 to 3 on x-axis. And how to find the y2? Well, we can use this equation, these two equations. But most importantly, which equation we use first. So for this question, we use the most upper equation, which is this most upper equation, the straight line. This is the straight line equation is this. So we assume this as bx1. And secondly, we must minus it with this equation. This is bx2. So the equation is still the same. We just use this equation. And now, after we got the volume value, we just need to calculate the total volume for the shape. So bx1 minus bx. This depend on how which type of question we get. For this question, we get straight line on the upper equation, and the curve one is a lower equation. So we need to minus b minus v1, vx1 and vx2.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ikwan bin Matambal. So, for the next step, when we have to calculate this x1, we just use the same formula. So, let me write it down. So, vx1 equal pi determine 3, 0 in bracket x plus 1 power by 2 dx, just like this. And then what we do, we just separate it because it power by 2. So equal pi determine 3, 0 x plus 1 x plus 1, just like this. So for the next step, we just multiply it with the just like this, just like this. This is the same too we do. So the answer is we get here is pi determine 3, 0 no bracket, sorry, x2 plus x plus x plus 1, just like that. And then we just put the limit in, we just change the limit with the x, just like this. Let me show you. So pi determine 3, 0 no, sorry, my mistake. Okay, so pi 3 power by 2 in bracket 3 plus 1. So this is the first one. For the second one, minus this 0, 3 plus 2 in bracket 0 plus 1. So this is the equation that we got, the final equation. And then the answer is, when we calculate this all, you just put into the calculator. So the final answer we got is 21 pi. So that's all from me.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Zamrin. So I will calculate the value of x2. So we use this value from the diagram, just put in the value. So y integrate, forget the limit of integrate 0 and don't forget this one, this value. And so first thing, finish these two power. So 2 times 2 is 4. No, 2 plus 2 is 4. Because the power we just pass the next time. Alright, so next step is change this integrate. How we change, like this, and change and integrate this value. So 4 times 1 per divided 4, 3. So don't forget the value. Why this is 3? Because we bring the value after -1 to here. So next step, the it back and for it the limit value change with the x. So like this. 3. Bring it to 3 minus 1 3 3. So for next value, next limit value, just minus and read the answer. The x will change to the 0. So 1 3 3. Alright, after you put the limit value like this and just use your calculator to get the right value. So after you will get the 2022 divided 5 and don't forget to just write back the pi, and that's it. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Muhammad Imran. Today, I want to show how we get the volume. When we see the volume x1 is 21 pi and volume x2 is 33 divided 5 pi. When we get the volume V x1 minus V x2 and then 21 pi divided minus 33 divided 5 pi, and the answer is 72 divided 5 pi.